Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start a video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select insist from here. Then click on this box. Then type as 3.5. Then click on this box. Then type as 2. Then click on this box. Then type as 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then select this shape. Then rotate this shape. Then you have to select the shape tool again. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then select this. Then you have to rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then rotate this again. Then drag this in here. Then go to the layer panel. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then select the shape tool again. Then draw the shape in here. Then select this. Then rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then select this layer again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take over from this. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this. Then click on the flip vertical. Then you have to drag this in here. Then select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and here. Then select the move tool. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under these layers. After that, you have to select the background layer. Then unlock this layer. Then double click on here. Then click on the color overlay. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then lock this layer again. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK again. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on the reverse. Then click on here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow. Then right click on this. Then click on the copy layer style. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the paste layer style. After that, you have to include the icons and write some text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting text in here. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. Then you have to select this layer from here. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take over from this. Then you have to double click on here. Then write your company name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then double click on here. Then write your company category in here. After that, you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select these layers. Then drag these layers in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select all layers from here. Then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set up business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now Here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.